I wanted to create a fresh sound. That's why we started playing with vegetables.
Only the freshest vegetables can create an optimal sound, so the orchestra has to buy vegetables on the day they'll be performing. Let's store them in a refrigerator. We're going to try using vegetables which have been stored in a non-linear refrigerator for 1 week.
Can these 1 week old vegetables make the same sound as the produce brought fresh on the day?
It seemed impossible, but as expected, it was impossible. This time, we're going to use vegetables which have been stored in an LG linear refrigerator for 1 week.
Set and
You can't hear the difference. It sounds almost exactly the same as the fresh vegetables bought on the day of.
Now the orchestra won't have to go grocery shopping every morning, thanks to the LG linear refrigerator. This is the power of the LG linear compressor. Do linear, NatureFRESH. LG Inverter linear compressor.